Hi and welcome to another video by me. This one's gonna be a video just quickly going over this new Fender Santa Ana Overdrive that I was lucky enough to get my hands on at the guitar show in Birmingham at the weekend. I think these were released at NAMM this year. It's a new line of effects that Fender are doing. I was lucky enough to get this at the weekend through Fair Deal Music in Birmingham, who were at the show. So yeah, I've done a little unboxing of the other goodies that I bought. Comes obviously with the instructions. Blah blah blah. A little note section at the end to put your favourite settings. Anyway, I'm going to be running it through another one of my new purchases, the Brent Hinds Terra, the orange Brent Hinds Terra, through its clean channel, and I'll also chuck in it through the Vox as well. This light represents the Brent Hinds. Brent Hinds is on my left, and this light will represent it through my Vox AC15, which anyone else who has watched any of my videos will realise that stars in nearly all the videos. But yeah, so mainly through the Brent Hinds because it has a fully clean channel as such, how I've got it set up. This little pedal here is just one I've made for the Vox's tremolo and reverb. So anyway, reference signal, bridge humbucker, so here we go. With everything at noon, other than the level, because I've got this at a kind of a unity level with the actual output of the amp in the room, is how it sounds anyway. Neck and middle single coil. And then the boost, you have a switch on the top of the pedal where the DC jack goes in, where you can alter the boost from either boosting the gain to boosting the output level. I've got it at a minute boosted so it boosts the gain. Then you also have a true bypass and buffered bypass mode, and also a switch to turn on and off the little blue LED lights on the control knobs. I won't muck about those too much. But yeah, I'll pump the gain. So it's already on full. And then you have two voicings. This one's a lot more open, less compressed. B is... humbucker split with the middle pickup. So whack it through the Vox. Vox in its natural state. That might suit B better. Bridge humbucker. And through the Vox, because obviously with it being a bit driven anyway, you can push it. I've now swapped it so it's a level boost rather than a drive boost. Unfortunately, the boost side doesn't work independently. So that doesn't actually kick in until the pedal's engaged. But that, through the non-driven clean channel of the Brent Hines, just makes it a lot louder. Both amps. Anyway, so that's it. Cheers for watching. Found this remotely interesting. Check out my other videos. Hit the subscribe button, hit the thumbs up button, etc. Leave constructive criticism. Yeah, no trolling. As I always say, trolling is just being an arsehole. No one needs that. There's enough dicks in the world. So anyway, cheers for taking time out to watch. Hope all's well. Speak to you later. Cheers. Bye-bye.